do you create a fair parenting plan? Well, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Well, it's a really good question how you create a fair parenting plan. I mean, after all, at this stage of the game, when you were married and you cared about each other and your spouse was the most significant person in your life, it behooved you to work it out, to make a cooperative plan, to accommodate them. Now that they are a person who you can't stand, a person who you wish you never met, all the great things that go along with a dissolved relationship, you're thinking maybe it doesn't pay to be so cooperative. I will tell you this. The secret to a good parenting plan lies in what's good for the goose is good for the gander. You want to come to court and say, I think, Your Honor, that it would be fair parenting plan for the child to stay with me 26 overnights out of 30 and let the other person have 4 overnights, and I think that's fair. Well, if you really think that's a fair way for you guys to parent, then be prepared for the judge to say, you know what, I'll accept your numbers, but I'm giving him the 26 and I'm giving you the 4 since you say it's fair. Fair is fair. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. So you have to realize that the court is going to look at the plan and it's going to look at it through a different lens. If you're looking at the parenting plan through the lens of getting even with your ex, through the lens of trying to control the situation, be advised that if they bring it to court, the court uses a completely different lens. And therefore, the result is likely to be completely different, as the court's vision of what's fair may be different than your vision of what's fair. So, you want to save yourself a lot of time, a lot of stress, a lot of embarrassment, a lot of money? Take off the lens that you have, put on what lens the court probably uses, and then try to work out a fair parenting plan. And if you're the one who wants it more equal and the other side doesn't, tell them, look, you're looking at this only through what services your needs. You're not looking at what services the child's needs, what services my needs. The court tends to look at what services all 3 needs. So momentarily, let us engage in the fiction that we all wear the black robe, and let us try to figure out what's fair given both sides of the issue. If you do it that way, it is likely that you'll come up with something that's a little bit more reasonable, and you'll probably save yourself a lot of time and money. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.